This video I am discussing 5th standard mathematics, chapter 5, fractions, exercise 5.4. Before going to exercise, see some basic concepts. Simplification of fractions. Look at the equivalent fractions. This is a rectangle divided into two equal parts. One part is shaded. This can be written as 1 by 2. This rectangle is divided into 4 equal parts. Out of 4, 2 parts are shaded. This can be written as 2 by 4. This rectangle is divided into 8 equal parts. Out of 8, 4 parts are shaded. This can be written as 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 4 by 8. Because 1 by 2, 2 by 4 can be written as, here 2 terms are there, numerator and denominator containing 2, take it out, 2 into 2, 4. This 2 get cancelled, 1 by 2. That means this part is same as this part is same as this part. We can write these as 4 by 8 equal to 2 by 4 equal to 1 by 2. How can we get 2 by 4 and 1 by 2 as equivalent fractions of 4 by 8? Simple. By dividing both numerator and denominator, we get 1 by 2. From the above examples, we can conclude that equivalent fractions are obtained by dividing the numerator and denominator of the given fraction by the same number except 0. See, exercise 5.4. Reduce each of the following fractions into its lowest form. First one, 8 by 16. Both numerator and denominator containing 8. Therefore, 8 can be written as 8 ones are 8 into 1. 16 can be written as 8 twos are. This 8 get cancelled. 1 by 2 is the answer. Second one, 5 by 10. 5 into 1, 5 into 2. This 5 get cancelled. 1 by 2 is the answer. Next, third one, 54 by 108. 54 into 1 divided by 54 into 2. 54 2s are 108. This 54 get cancelled. 1 by 2 is the answer. Next, fourth one, 3 by 15 can be written as 3 into 1 divided by 3 into 5. This get cancelled. 1 by 5 is the answer. Next, sixth one, 12 by 16. 12 contains 4. 16 also containing 4. Therefore, 4 3s are 4 4s are. This 4 get cancelled. 3 by 4 is the answer. Seventh one, 9 by 27. 9 into 1 divided by 9 into 3. This 9 get cancelled. 1 by 3 is the answer. Eighth one, 36 by 48. Here, both numerator separate. Take common 12 in numerator and denominator. 12 3s are 36. 12 4s are 48. This 12 get cancelled. 3 by 4 is the answer. Next, ninth one. 24 by 56. 8 threes are 8 sevens are. This 8 get cancelled. 3 by 7 as the answer. 10th one. 24 by 72. See, 24 ones are 24 threes are 72. This 24 get cancelled. 1 by 3 as the answer. This completes your exercise 5.4. If you like the video, hit the like button. Subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.